Papa gonna turn it on. Look at the tree.
1, 2, 3.
Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I'm giving you guys just wake fresh face, all kind of just wake face this morning. I'm in the kitchen making breakfast for the family as per usual, and I am making babe's favorite banana fritters, and we're going to have that with some plantains. I think this red plantain right here, this one right here is the one that we'll do. Yes, and then we're gonna have that with some eggs. While I am making breakfast, the machine did a very good job. So babe and I did a very good job by cleaning it yesterday. So it did an awesome job by washing the clothes last night. And while I'm making breakfast, babe, my sweet man is out there putting out laundry. This door is dirty. There he is. He's putting out laundry. He's so funny. He's putting out laundry, and Tyler is munching on some bananas and toast that he loves. What are you watching? What are you watching? No, me? Ooh, banana, Misha Mika. I soon put Misha Mika for you. Banana is finished and you're eating your toast. Banana is finished and you're eating your toast. Can you say good morning, faves? Oh, and something is going on downstairs. I think they're cutting grass or something. But Tyler is having his toast, and we're just gonna ignore that noise downstairs. Oh, and he's watching TV. That's so noisy. And bright and early Saturday morning, they're cutting grass. So yeah, that's what we're up to right now in the Delaveau household. We're just going through our morning routine and getting some stuff done. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful weekend. You guys are recovering from all the Thanksgiving goodness that have been following you guys all over social media and watching all these yummy posting and have me drooling, and oh my god, y'all just make me hungry. But you didn't send a girl a plate, but that's okay. I see you, boo. I see you. I'm a baby screaming, so I gotta go see what's going on. Okay, you guys, so since we're going all out this morning and it's not breakfast, it's brunch, so this is what it's looking like. Plantain, eggs, and fritters, belly full. Look what we're doing today. Something that I look forward to every single year is to putting up our Christmas tree, and we're about to do that now. Tyler, you're excited to put up the Christmas tree? You're excited to put up the tree, or you're just excited about Peppa Pig? Which one? You ready? Ready to put up the tree? Let's put up the tree. Christmas tree all done, we did a good job, teamwork, make it beautiful. Tyler, you ready for the big reveal? Papa gonna turn it on. Look at the tree. You like it? Yeah, I think so too. We actually put the blue light in the middle before we start decorating, and then put the colored lights on the outside. So that's a Christmas tree. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Christmas tree, shine so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, that was an accident. Stella, turn off. Stella, we can turn off back the light. Oh Lord. Stella. Wow. You like it? Pretty? It's pretty?
Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchanging.
It started to feel like Christmas in my house.
How richly God
It started to feel like
has
Christmas. It's definitely starting to feel like Christmas around here. So that's our tree, you guys. Yes, my love.
You didn't have a thing that says why you.
So you guys, mission accomplished. Our Christmas tree is done. So teamwork make the dream work. And you know, normally I'm late on putting up Christmas tree.
Normally you're late, normally you're early November.
Yeah, I'm saying no, I'm late.
Yeah.
Normally I would put it up already.
Yeah.
But I'm late a little bit this year, but that's okay. It's up and it's still November, but that's okay. I love having my Christmas tree. And if I couldn't take it down for the rest of the year, I would leave it right there. But anyways, we're gonna look some food and then continue on with our day because I am hungry. How about you?
A little bit.
Tyler is just happy about Père Noël. Père Noël means I won't tell you what Père Noël means. That will be the French expression, the French word for today from Babe. Car! Yes. We're out on the road. We are heading to town. Going to do a little shopping. 400, where you see number 400 coming? He said, see number 400 bus. We're heading to town, going to do a little shopping, random shopping. You guys, there's so much people out here. It's crazy. Definitely feel like holidays. Die! You guys, there's so much people out here. It's crazy. Yes, baby, walk. Police! Police! Yes, police! So much people. Y'all know Tyler loves police. You guys, it's crazy out here in these shopping streets. Yeah. Huh?
The bus.
Huh?
Stop before and not here.
I can't hear you.
I think we should go get the bus at the stop before and not here.
Okay, so let's do that. You guys, it's what time now? It's after 6 p.m. and I should say shopping is a success, but I didn't get half of what I wanted, but I get a lot of things. I ended up doing most of Tyler Christmas shopping, so that was good. Babe struggling with the bags. Babe struggling with the bags.
Not heavy, but big.
It's a lot, it's big. So there babes go with those bags. And Ty is sleeping. Tyler is sleeping. and we're going to try and catch the bus to head home. I'm going to have to finish up shopping the next day. This is the reason why I don't wait to do Christmas shopping. Reasons like these why I don't wait to do Christmas shopping. I like to do my Christmas shopping way in advance than to wait. Yes, I got it. Hey fams, we are back home, and of course I'm in my favorite place and I'm cooking while baby's about to go make us something to drink. I think he's gonna have martini and whatever he's gonna have that with, and I am going to have what? Comment down below and see if you guys can guess what I'm going to have before I show you guys what I'm going to have. I'm actually also cooking. Comment down below also and tell me if you guys can guess what I'm cooking today for dinner. Dun, 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 dun. And if you guess, quinoa for the win. Yes, quinoa is bubbling, and I am going to roast this chicken. I'm going to roast this chicken, but then you'd ask, Mel, why your chicken don't look like how it normally looks? That is because I am trying a different method of roasting chicken that I saw somebody did, and I decided that, hey, I'm gonna try something different for a change. So I'm trying this method of roasting chicken, and let's see how it's going to come out. So wish me luck, luck, luck. So dinner is going to be roast chicken and quinoa. Lego. This is my glass. Can you guess what I'm drinking? If you can guess what I'm drinking, then we'll see who get it right. Babe, what do you say I'm drinking?
I don't know what you're drinking.
You know, tell them. What am I drinking?
It's like orange juice.
And what?
And some rum.
What kind?
Oh, your favorite, a girl rum, coconut rum.
You guys, I'm drinking orange juice, natural orange juice. I just made this, and coconut rum.
Coconut rum.
Babe says girl rum.
Yeah, because it's 40%. The real rum, 60 something.
Girl rum. Is there such a rum as girl rum? I haven't had rum in forever.
Yeah.
So it's good. So we're going to do what babe like to do tonight. Drink. I see you. We're going to do what babe like to do tonight. Good. Yes, it does.
It's very good.
We're gonna do drink and eat appetizers. And for appetizers, we're gonna have pistachio, which is my favorite. Okay. We're gonna have pistachio, roasted grilled pistachio. And we have a visitor. Hello. Come here. You want pistachio? Pistachio? Say hi. You want to say hi to the fams? But he's whispering. He's hi. Oh, can you show them your Paw Patrol? Show them your Paw Patrol that you got today. Show them. Wow. Vroom vroom. Paw Patrol. Up and down. Yes, it goes up and down. Alright, you guys, we're gonna enjoy this little eating yumminess. Have you said hi to the vlog all day, honey?
Yeah, I said hi to the vlog and
When?
I talked to the vlog.
When?
I don't know.
Yeah, chicken is in the oven. Look, it's roasting. Yeah, you want juice? What kind of juice you want? Yes, say sure. He's saying it's hot. What kind of juice does Tyler want?
Juice.
You want orange juice? Okay, Mama gonna make some orange juice for you because rum is in this, so you can't have it, okay? Alright, let's make orange juice for you, right? You guys, guess what? Guess what? Let me take off my hoodie so you guys can see me. Okay, now you can guess.
You have an announcement?
Maybe. It is night 2 and my big boy is done without his fussy all day today, without his fussy, fell asleep without his fussy, but he keeps saying, Mama,
Broken.
Broken, mama.
And he looks so sad. But
And he does his bottom lip just like me.
you know what? I don't feel too bad because the way he looks very sad. It makes you feel bad. But because we have give him
The spear
the
one.
spare one that is good.
And it's identical
And he
to the
don't want
broken
it.
one.
When we give it, he just refuse it and
Nope.
say
I tried to
broken.
force it in his mouth.
No, I
Nope,
push
nope,
it
nope.
away and he say broken. Like
Yeah.
you don't see the difference. So
He won't see the difference. He
Mhm.
won't see the difference until he put it in his mouth and starts sucking it. But he doesn't want it. He doesn't even want to try because it look identical. So, fingers crossed. Guys, the chicken was
good.
good. It turned out really good. I think I like this method of roasting chicken. It was really good. Very, very good. I'll try doing it like this more often. I really like it.
What is the Jamaican expression for today?
Me no ina where you ina.
Me na ina where ina.
Me no ina where de me ina.
Me na ina where the me na.
If you hear a Jamaican say me no ina what them ina, simple means that they won't get involved into the situation that you are in. They won't get involved in it at all. Say it.
Okay, me na where ina.
Me no ina what them ina.
Me no ina where them ina.
Right. Me no ina what them ina.
Me no ina where them ina.
Yes. What's the
That's gonna be a
word?
French word. Because it's Christmas and I think
We were talking about it today.
Yeah, Tyler said it a lot today.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna give the word for today will be Père Noël. Père Noël is simply the translation of Santa Claus. Noel mean more Christmas, and Père is like literally like Daddy
Father
Christmas.
Noel.
Yeah,
Oh, like Daddy Christmas. Okay.
It's Daddy Christmas. In English is Santa Claus, but in French we call him
It's really Daddy Christmas.
Yeah, Père Noël, the father of Christmas.
Yeah, that's good. The French expression and the Jamaican expression, there you have it. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, comment, turn on your notification bell, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.